Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you guys how we are going to create a blurry drop shadow effect using Canva. So as I always say, what you need to do is go to your canva.com. Here you are going to log in or sign up using a password, and this is the home screen or the dashboard that is going to appear on your screen. So this is the dashboard. Let me just show you what I've created before, and I'm going to create a copy of that. This is how we are going to give that blurry 3D drop shadow effect to your pictures, to your videos, or to your animations, whatever. This is how you're going to do that. You are going to adjust the transparency. You see there's an option of transparency. You're going to adjust that. You're going to change the positions. You see there are so many options. You can also use the fading option here. You see, I would like to make it look more as if it was fading and it comes out, or you can use this blur effect to make it look as if it has changed from the blur to that harsh background. So let's just start from the scratch. You are simply going to go to your home screen. Here you see there's an option of creating. Simply go click on this create option. Here you see what I want basically is I'm looking forward for an Instagram story. So let's just type your Instagram story. You can use any one of these tiles. You see there's an Instagram post creator, story, the one I'm looking forward for. You can also use the invitations, infographics, portraits, squares. Let's just move forward to the Instagram story. Here you see this is the blank page that is going to appear. Now you have two options. Number one is that if you already have an image on your computer, you are going to go to your upload, and from there you are going to upload the pictures. As if you see there are two images that I already have, you can use any one of them and drag it to the image to give that 3D drop shadow effect. Or if you don't have any, then Canva also has another option of magic media. From here it is going to use your keywords to create or generate a new image. Let's just say I'm looking for any one of these. So here, you see I'm going to choose this one. It is going to generate it, might take a half a second or half a minute, and it is going to appear this way. Okay, so this is taking the time. Let's just choose this image. Now you are going to adjust it according to your wanted size. Okay. This is the type of image I want. Now what I'm going to do is go to my... Okay, I'm going to go to the elements. I'm going to type here shapes. You see there are so many shapes available. I'm going to choose the square one. Let's just choose the square one. You see this is the square one. I'm going to change the color to black. Here. I am going to stretch it to the entire size of the picture. Alright, very easy. Just, yeah. So, number one, what you're going to do is go to your share option. Here you see there's an option of download. You are going to click on this. Or you can also change the access. This is out of the topic, so we're going to ignore that. Now you can save it by using the JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF prints, or MP4 video. You can also use GIFs. There are so many options. I'm simply going to go click on the PNG. Now you can go click on the transparent background and you can go download it. Since I am not a premium user, so I'm going to skip this method. Or if you are, then you can use that, or you can also use a 30-day free trial. Let me just change the name first. I am writing here, let's just say floral. This is going to be my title before I save it. Now, what if I'm not a premium user? What I'm going to do? What I'm going to do is, if you are a premium user, you are going to go to this page. You are going to copy this page and you are going to paste it on the page number 2. This is simply going to copy all your effect and all your style that you were looking forward to. But if you're not a premium user, you're simply going to go delete this one and skip this part. Now, as most of the viewers are going to do, you are going to adjust the size of this picture. Let's just say I want it this way. But you see, the main image that I want is actually at the back, and the black color is here. This is basically the shape. So what I'm going to go to the 3 dots. Here you see there's an option of position. We can use it to the background. We can also cause it to move to the front if it is in the back, or you can also cause it to move to the back this way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is change the position and adjust it because I don't want to make it look more harsh. This is giving that 3D effect. I don't think so this is too bad. So I am going to change the transparency. First, let me just go change the colors. I see there is an option of colors. If you are making a design for a website, then you are going to choose the color according to your website. But if you don't have any, you are going to choose it according to the picture you're using. You see, I'm going to use this color. You can use any one of yours color. And I'm going to set the transparency. This is going to give that 3D effect. You can also use different animations. For instance, I'm looking for the fade to this one, or you can use the rise, you can use the pan. There is fade, there's blur, there's breathe, succession, or you can use the breaths, whatever. You can use all of these options. You can click on play and this is going to play for you here. You see, this is how it's going to do. You can also set the timer or adjust the timings. Let's suppose I'm going to keep it to 2.5 seconds. If you play it, this animation is going to be of 2.5 seconds. Now you see I have adjusted my transparency and my style. Now, this is how you're going to create that 3D drop shadow effect on your computer. And what you're going to do at the end is simply preview it, or you can also add more designs. You can change more positions. You can change the color. This was just a sample. Simply go to share. Here you're going to click on the download option. You can go click on the MP4 video. You're simply going to go download it. You can also adjust the quality if you're the premium users. If you're not, then simply go download it. So in this way, this is the simple method and a quick method, the quick most method, and the more detailed method I could show you guys to create that drop shadow effect. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.